Alright, let's have example number 2. For our example number 2, we have x squared minus 3x minus 28 equals 0. So let's find the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. So let's see, the discriminant is equal to negative 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 28. So equals. So by the way, I'll just substitute the values of a, b, and c given this equation. Alright, so negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 28. So we have 112. Right. So 9 plus 112 is equal to 121. So therefore, the discriminant is 121. So as you can see, 121 is a perfect square. And of course, it is greater than 0. So therefore, since the discriminant is greater than 0 and it's a perfect square, the roots of this equation is real, rational, and unequal. So let's check using factoring method of this equation. X squared minus 3x minus 28 equals 0. So to factor this one, we have x times x, factor of negative 28. That can result negative 3. So we have negative 7, positive 4, right? Equals 0. Using the zero product property, we have x minus 7 equals 0. X plus 4 equals 0. Then solve for x. X is equal to 7. X is equal to negative 4. So as you can see, we have two real roots, two rational number, and an equal roots, which is the first one is 7 and the other one is negative 4.